In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to create your YouTube channel banner like this one and optimize it and make your channel visible all with your mobile phone. So without wasting too much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. Alright, so to design our YouTube channel banner, all you need to do is to download Canva. You can go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and then search for the word Canva. So right here, I will just search for Canva, and then you will see it right here. So if I click on Canva, in your own case you need to download it. So my own, I already have the app, so I will just click on open. So if you click on download, you need to sign up with your email or your Facebook or with your Apple Store. So once that is done, you are going to search for YouTube channel banner. Here is where you click to get your template, what you are going to be using. So let me search for YouTube channel banner. You can see it as I put YouTube, this one has already popped up. So if you click on YouTube channel banner, it will give you different design that you can use, but you should also know that it's not every design you can use here. Some are free, some are paid. And how can you know? Like this one now is free. This one, anyone you see this pro, that means you have to pay. So myself, I've been using it for years. I've never subscribed or pay anything for Canva, to tell you the truth. So like this one is free, this one is paid. So you just check to know which color resonates with you the most, so that you can just pick it and tweak and twist it. So let me say I want to use this one now. All I need to do, I will click right here and the template will open. So as it has opened right here, if I want to add a picture like this, all I need to do is to click on upload. Right, so down here you see the upload. So you can actually move this one this way. Okay, so if I click on upload, it will take me to where I can upload. So I'll click on upload files. Okay, and then I will click on device, so that all my pictures, so that I can access all my picture. I will click on photo library, so that my pictures will open. So let me just pick any of my picture right now. I have more of videos than picture, guys. That's a life of a content creator. So let me pick, wow, it's kind of difficult, but let me just pick one. Let me pick my daughter's picture for the sake of this tutorial. Let me pick my daughter's picture, but please make sure you use a picture that is very clean and clear. Very important. So you see it right here is uploading the picture I select. But meanwhile, all these other pictures that you see are the pictures that I've already uploaded on Canva. So anyone you upload, like this one now, as I upload it today, it will remain here for as long as Canva is still a website. Okay, so I will click on it right now because it has finished uploading. So you see it right here. So I will now hold it and drag it into this cycle. You see that the picture has entered the cycle. Isn't that amazing? So right here you see that by Olivia Wilson, that's what is there. So if we just tap on it, so this by now, if I click on it, I will change it to by Ijapari Gang. You can do anything you want. Okay, that's just it. You can change the color, you can change anything you want, whatever you want. So let me Ijapari Gang. All right, so my channel, I'll click on this fashion channel and click, I can say make money online. Make money online. Okay, so you see as it is now, that means this one if I want it to be straight, I will just click on it. Anything you want to edit, please tap on it. So I can now drag it this way if I want it to be bigger. Okay, if I want it to be straight line, I can just adjust the space and adjust the size. So anything you click, you discover that there are things right here that is highlighted. So if you click, if I click this one right here, I can click on the font to change the writing style. I can click on the size, the font size here. I can change the color of the writing. I can change the text style and other things. So let me just click on it here and then adjust it all here and drag it. You see, so if I just drag it like this, I want it to be one line. Okay, Please, if you have not liked this video, do so. So you see, even like this one now, I'm good to go. But let me click this hashtag, whatever they put here, and see what I can change. All right. So content tips. So me, I can just remove everything and leave it there, or I can write crypto. Let me put crypto, whatsoever you want. Like, I just want to let you know that you can do whatever you want here. Okay. One thing with design is that you can do whatsoever you want, and the more you make use of it, the higher you become good with it. Okay. Crypto. Okay. So once you are done with what you want to do, just click out. You see it will give you space. So like even this one now, I have a beautiful channel banner. So what do? If I want to do this, is download. I can download it, but meanwhile, before I even download it, I want to introduce some things for you here. So if this right up, if you click this, if you want to duplicate it, if you just tap on it, you can click this middle angle to duplicate, so that you can use the same text to write more things. But if I don't want it, I will delete. Meanwhile, if you just want different text without anything concerning here, you can just click on this text right here, and it will ask you what type of heading you want. If you select, it will give you that opportunity, but I don't want, so I exit it. So you can also add another picture. You can change the color, but ensure that before you edit anything, click on it. You see now, this one now, as the whole box is highlighted, meaning is the whole box I want to edit. But if I want to edit maybe picture or anything, I'll click on it before. You see that everything will change here. So that is how to design your YouTube channel banner. Then I will export it. So let me click on it to export. If you click on it here, you see this download. You download it. I'm using iPhone. So if you are using a different phone, it might not be exactly, but just pay attention and rewatch it. So I will click on download. So it's preparing my design to download. It's asking me if I should allow. I will allow it so that I can download my picture. So I'll click on save image. iPhone with wahala. If it is Android now, it will not even ask me this multiple question. Okay, it said that it's saved in my camera roll. So let me just go now and check if truly is in my camera roll. Yes, voila, here is it. Okay, here is it right here. So that is beautiful. So this is how to create. So once you have successfully created, what would you do next is to add it to your YouTube channel. So how do you do that? I'll come to my YouTube studio. Again, if you don't have a YouTube studio, you have to download it. How do you download it? Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Okay, you see it right here. So YouTube Studio, then my own need to be updated even. So you just download it. So I'll just go straight now to my YouTube Studio. So if you download YouTube Studio, the moment you download it, because you already have a YouTube app, it will automatically be that. But in case you see that it is not the same, you can simply just sign in with the same email address that you use in opening your YouTube channel. So now that I'm here, how then do I do? The next thing I will do to optimize my YouTube is to do this. You click on this icon right here. If you have picture, it's picture that will show. If it is not picture, it will show maybe a letter of your name. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you click on this pen icon. So when you click on this pen icon, you are going to see opportunity to update all this. Number one, you need to add your own profile picture. If you click right here, it will bring you. You can either take a picture or choose from your photos. So you click on choose from your photos and select a beautiful picture. Please make sure you select a beautiful picture, okay? So once you upload it, because I don't want to change mine now, the next thing is to now upload your channel banner. How do you do it? You click right here and then click either take photo or choose from photos. So you click choose from photos. So you see that my channel banner is what you click. If you click on it, it will bring you. So sometimes if you want to upload it like this, you might see that it is not the same size. So if it is not the same size, you can go back to your Canva and shrink it a bit. Just you hold and shrink it. Okay, you hold and string it like this on Canva so that it will be the same size, because as you can see, this one is a bit not fitting in. So I don't want to save it. Then you save, okay, but I don't want to save it. If you upload the picture to, you save, but me, I'm not saving it because I don't want to change what is already here. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is, if your handle is not what you want, you can click right here. Okay, you can click here to change it. Okay, then here your description. So in your description, you like my own description now, if I click on this, you will see, welcome to Ijapari Gang YouTube channel. If you are ready to turn your skill, creativity and passion and all this, so all this long story. And then I added my email, my Facebook, my Instagram handle, my TikTok handle, my Twitter handle. I add it to my description. And you don't have to bother yourself much with this. All you need is like this one. Now you can just go to ChatGTP and just tell ChatGTP, my name is Ijapari Gang, and okay, let me just show you practical even. So you can also download this app because we are going to be using it, ChatGTP. So you can just go to ChatGTP and say description for my video, or for my YouTube channel, for my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you just say that, because you see, like me now, because ChatGPT has already known my channel because I used to ask him so many things, so it will just give you. You can just ask ChatGTP, I have a YouTube channel that I want to be talking about lifestyle or hairstyle or birthday or whatever. Please, can you give me a simple description? ChatGTP will give you. All you need to do, you now, if you double tap it, you will now highlight. Like if you tap the screen twice, that's double tap, you will now highlight the exact spot that you want to do and you copy it. When you click on copy, right, you will now go back to your studio. Here, click on this pencil icon and then paste it. Go to your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram page, okay, and copy the URL link and come and paste here. So how do you do that? Because this is a complete tutorial, so that's why I'm taking my time to give you more details like this. So you can just go, let's say for my Instagram or for my Facebook now, all I will do is I will just go to my channel right here and then copy my link. Okay, where do I share now? Okay, share profile. So if I click on share profile, if I copy this link now, that means if I come here, I click on the description, it will allow me to paste. Okay, I know for some people that are new, you might find it a bit stressful, but just put your mind to it. Take your time and watch and rewatch. See, I don't want to say like your life depends on this, but take it as if your life depends on it. This thing I'm sharing with you, if I tell you how much I pay and everything, you will not even believe me. So I just want to give back to the community, and that is why I am doing this detail all for free. So all you owe me in this challenge is you should like the video, you should drop a beautiful comment. If you have learned something, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that's how to optimize your channel to make it beautiful. You can even in the description, you can also add hashtag. All right, you can also add hashtag, maybe hashtag Ijapari Gang, that's your name. Don't use my name and all that. So if you have successfully done that, you will have something beautiful like this. And then you can now go to your YouTube channel. If you come to YouTube, if you click right here, you will see that you will be able to view your channel, and then you share your channel with me, with us in the main group. So if you are watching this video, I don't know when you are watching it. If you are watching this video, I'm creating it during a challenge, 30 days YouTube challenge. So you can join the challenge. In the description of this video, I'll drop the Telegram link to where we are doing the 30 days challenge, where you are going to learn how to create your YouTube channel. We are going to learn editing. We are going to learn everything YouTube, all for free. So you can join, or if you cannot see the link to join, or if it is not working, let me know in the comment section so that I can give you the link to join. So if you have done all this, you need to share with me your YouTube channel link so that we can come view it. So you click view channel right here. If you click view channel, okay, this is your channel. If you click these three dots here, you now see share. You copy it, click on copy. All right, then you now go to where the challenge is happening, to the Telegram. So I will just click right here, Telegram, the challenge. As of when I'm doing this video, we are 63 members. So I will just click right here, hold it, paste, and then what will I do? Send. So that is how to do it. I know later you now come and see this, you now wonder what is happening. So you see with this one now, anybody that click right here, it will bring the person straight to my YouTube channel. Okay, it's no YouTube, it's no video link now, this is channel link. So when you want to send video link later, all you need to do, like this is my video now, you just click let me see, yes, so all you need to do is just to click, let me say, click these three dots, click here, you see share, click copy. So with this one now, that means is the YouTube video link that is right here. So if I send it here now, you see it's the YouTube video link. So what will I do now? Because I don't need it right now, this is not related to what we are doing, so I'll just click and delete for everyone. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you find this video helpful. If you're watching this video is for our day one for the 30 days YouTube growth challenge. I'll be coming live by 7 p.m. Nigerian time. So you can join me to ask your question. If you find anything difficult, let me know in the comment section of this video, as well as you can also drop a comment in the group. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Congratulations for creating your YouTube channel. Share with me your channel link. Please share with me both in the comment section of this video as well as in the group challenge here on Telegram. But you know, if you share it in the comment section, more people will see it, even people that are not in this challenge. So that will be another plus for you for your visibility. So just share it in the comment section. As you copy the link, just share that this is my YouTube channel link that Ijapari made me create.